Hey guys, welcome to another episode of Conversations with Candace. I'm Candace and we're going to be conversing today. I've waited till the last minute on a Sunday evening to figure out what to do with my hair. I still have it in braids. I just washed it, I greased it, I laid the front, and I dried it. So I'm going to put some locks on it. And these are locks that I've never tried before. It's a brand that I've also never heard of before. These are the Harlem 125 Kima Braid Boho Goddess locks. They're locks on the top and then they're loose on the end. I got 2 packs of the color 2. It has 3 times as much in the pack, so I'm hoping that I only need these 2 packs because that's all I purchased. They were $13.99 per pack. They do come in a wide variety of colors. They're pretty long. They're very beautiful. They're all the same length, so you don't have to do a layering thing. They'll layer naturally. The ends are loose. I would imagine in a week or 2, these little ends will be kind of crunchy, so maybe putting some curl mousse on it will work. I am going to take these out of the pack. I'm going to do a quick install. I'm going to do the front of my hair first so I know that that's full and that's good, and then I'll use the second pack for the back of my hair. One section has 12. If each section is consistent, there should be 36 in each pack. So I have 2 packs, that's 72 locks. I do want to show you that there's loose pieces at the bottom as well as the top and the middle of the lock. That could cause tangling, just FYI. I also made sure I didn't leave the store without checking to see if this loop would open up big enough for me to fit the lock in. And it does. It does open up big enough. I'm able to pull it like this and get my fingers in there, so when I loop it, it'll come all the way through. If you need a full tutorial on how to do crochet, I will put that here, but let me show you how I put at least 2 in right now. Crochet hook through, put the hair on, close the hook, pull it through, hook off, open it up, grab the hair, pull it through. And that's one. It comes down pretty far. I think it's going to be beautiful when it's layered. So I'm going to go ahead and put them all in and come back shortly. Well, what do we have here? They're doing what needs to be done. They are. Look at that. I used every single piece of 2 packs of hair. I skipped spaces initially and then I went back and filled all those spaces. So they're pretty much side by side on each braid. I really like the hair. Now here's what's going to happen. In the next few days, these little loose pieces are going to get crunchy. I'm going to use curl mousse to just run my hands through and separate them. The curls are going to at some point get a little bit flatter. That's okay because I love this hair. I like that they are locks that go into curls. There was a version that had braids that goes into curls, but I think the braids would have been heavier. These locks are great. I can put them up in a bun. I can wear them down if I need to. I am in love. I wasn't quite sure at first. I didn't know. I wasn't sure. But they're lightweight. They feel amazing. I think that 2 packs would be great for you. If you want to do individuals, I do not know that these will unwrap well for you to wrap them on your braid or your lock, but you're more than welcome to try. For me, this crochet is giving. I think it would be super cute with half up, half down. Yes, ma'am. Look at her. Yeah, so I encourage you to try this hair. It's very lightweight. Now, I don't think after a few days it's going to be able to unloop easily, so reusing the hair might not work out. But also, I think if you do want to, you could probably hot water curl these curls back into place. It's not super expensive, so you might as well give it a try. I'll let you know in the comments below in a couple of weeks how this hair held up, but all in all, I think she's a winner. Thanks for joining me on this episode of Conversations with Candace, and until next time, y'all have a great day.